Our auto electrical department forms an integral part of our business. From complete harness building for rebuilds to troubleshooting on existing systems, we can assist with any auto electrical problem.